In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then click on screen lock here and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds and choose got it in the pop-up. Now it's time to create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm at the bottom right corner. Following that, select cancel or add in fingerprint pop-up and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!